Hey guys, and welcome back to Lingo Leap. It's Ashley here. Today we're going to talk about common hobbies part 2. The first common hobby that we are going to discuss is gardening. Many people enjoy gardening in their free time, and here is an example of the different types of things that you can expect to find when you are gardening.
Plant.
Flowers,
Pretty flowers.
watering can. Another common popular type of hobby is doing exercise. Another popular type of hobby is playing with your animals. Another type of common hobby that people enjoy doing is playing with their children and spending time with their family. Follow me for more advice and English tips. Bye bye for now.